We take a lot of time aligning our programs to regional needs, so depending on the needs of our region, we'll adjust our programming and add new programs. We talked to our regional partners, we assessed our needs, we looked at the opportunity for job growth, and HVAC encompasses so many things, whether it's sheet metal work or plumbing, electric, it's all embedded within HVAC.
It opens up a lot of different pathways for you, so it's not just you have two different ways to go. You choose your place in life. You have multiple different ways to go, and it lets you have an open mindset instead of a fixed one.
I'll get my EPA, my forklift, scissor lift license, and I'll get my 10-hour OSHA certification, which I won't have to go to any extra school for. I'll get it all in-house here. I'm hoping to use this opportunity to go into the workforce straight out of high school and work, and hoping not to go to college, but if I need to, I do have a little bit of credits built up through our programs.
There's also opportunities in a stereotypical male employment force. You discover who you want to be rather than who you don't want to be, and you learn different things about yourself.
Not only could our students leave Stebbins High School on the pathway for a HVAC profession, they could leave Stebbins High School with some skills that would lend themselves to other professions as well.